I wanted to talk about some market updates, some mortgage updates of some things that's been going on in the mortgage industry. Well, the first thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is the fact that rates are now in the 8%. Now, the main thing that's going to determine what your interest rate is going to be your credit score. So, to help you out with this, the main thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have the best credit score possible, the best credit profile possible. And that's pretty much the main thing that you can do to ensure that you have the best rate possible. Feds decided that they are going to pause the rate hike for this year. So there was another rate hike that we are supposed to go into this year. However, because rates have gotten so high, they decided that they're going to go ahead and put a pause on those rate hikes. So the third thing that I want to talk to you guys about is about the California Dream for All shared program. And this program literally went out of funds in a week. I believe it was a little over a week where they went out of funds. And they had to pause it because their funds were gone. Now I'm here on this website, or on the CalHAPA website, and it's basically saying that I'm going to actually read it to you guys what it says. It says, and this is as of the 26th of October. So last month, last month, because they're in November now. But last month, they basically had an update, and it says CalHAPA Board of Directors approved the second round of the Dream for All Shared Appreciation Loan Program at its October board meeting. We anticipate a release date for the program in early of spring 2024, with an official program details and announcement coming in January. So they're going to be doing a second round of the money. So with that being said, if you are someone that known about the last one, because I know there's people that have known about the last one, and they drug their feet on it, and they was like, oh well, I'll wait on it. We didn't know that the money was going to go out so soon. So with that being said, there's going to be another option for you all to utilize this resource. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making sure that I'm always updating you guys with the process of everything or the progress of everything. But you want to make sure that you are paying attention to your loan officer, your real estate agent, whenever they announce the news about it.